Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change picture in Gmail. So let's start. At first, open your Gmail. Now you can see change the picture in Gmail account. Now we open the Gmail. Now you can see then we're going to the Google account option. Now select. Now click from picture. Now change from picture. Now select from upload from device. Now find your picture. Now select from picture. Now click from open option. Now select from picture. Now click from next option and save as profile picture. That it's. Now you can see. Now change the picture and click from reload option. That it's. Now you can see change the profile picture in Gmail account is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.